The High Court in Johannesburg has recently made a significant ruling in the ongoing legal battle between former South African President Jacob Zuma and the current President Cyril Ramaphosa. In a scathing judgment, the court not only rejected Zuma's application for leave to appeal a previous ruling, but also criticized his attorney and counsel, Advocate Dali Mpofu, for unethical behavior and attempting to mislead the court. The legal dispute in question revolves around Jacob Zuma's attempt to privately prosecute President Cyril Ramaphosa. Zuma alleged that Ramaphosa had failed to take action against Advocate Billy Downer, who he claimed leaked Zuma's medical records to journalist Corrine Morgan. In response, Ramaphosa maintained that he had referred Zuma's complaint about Downer to Justice Minister Ronald Lamola and recommended that the matter be addressed by the Legal Practice Council, asserting that he had no authority or intention to interfere with the National Prosecuting Authority's independence. In July, the High Court in Johannesburg rendered a judgment declaring Zuma's private prosecution of Ramaphosa unlawful and unconstitutional, effectively setting it aside. Subsequently, Zuma sought leave to appeal this decision, which led to the recent judgment. In their ruling, the judges expressed skepticism about whether Zuma met the criteria for leave to appeal. However, their harshest criticisms were reserved for Dali Mpofu, who was representing Zuma. The court found that Mpofu had failed to disclose crucial information to the court regarding Deputy Judge President Roland Sutherland's stance on Zuma's belated payment of security required for his private prosecution of Ramaphosa. The court emphasized that it only became aware of Sutherland DJP's response thanks to the vigilance of Mr. Ramaphosa's advocate, who brought it to the court's attention. Sutherland DJP had not granted condonation for Zuma's late payment of security, a pivotal detail that had been omitted from Mpofu's arguments. The judgment stated, having been copied in the correspondence, Mr. Mpofu also had an ethical duty to disclose Sutherland DJP's response to this court when he addressed the court in the application for leave to appeal, notwithstanding his client's persistence with the relevant ground of appeal. He too failed in his duty towards this court. In the result, Mr. Zuma's attorney and Mr. Mpofu sought to mislead this court by committing these omissions. Unsurprisingly, the presidency welcomed the court's decision. Presidency spokesperson reiterated the position that the private prosecution initiated by Zuma had no legal basis and amounted to an abuse of the private prosecution provisions. This stance aligns with the court's ruling, which found Zuma's efforts to be unlawful and unconstitutional as well. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe.